if you are avoiding not null, what will happen? If you give not null, what will happen? So that is the things we already discussed. Hope you understand the things. Okay, because now we are discussing the constraint chapter. So constraint is a it's a kind of when creating the table, it is the term is called referential integrity. So the term is called referential integrity means what? The structure of the table should be unique. I mean, it is no duplications. There is no any false informations. Okay, so that the kind of things we are calling as referential integrity. Referential integrity means it's a unique data. That's it. We can say that referential integrity means unique data. That is one way. Fine. Now, in the referential integrity, or there's many things we can do that primary key, foreign key, and not null, null. In this order, we are going to learn one new uh, integrity called default. 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 We can say that constraint. Default constraint. So what is that default constraint? Suppose you don't want to um, specific anything. For example, suppose we are going to create one table called employee. Suppose your office in suppose in Hyderabad record. By default, we don't want to add those column value. System will automatically take it as that value. As Hyderabad, Chennai, whatever value we are giving, it will be adding automatically. We don't want to add it. That is the internal meaning. Okay. So how we are going to do that? See, for example, same thing. I'm creating one table.
Sorry,
Yeah.
can you please repeat? I did not get the point.
See,
Sorry. Mm.
when creating the table,
Okay.
we don't want to exclusively give that column name value.
Mhm.
System will take it automatically.
By
We don't
default.
want by
Mhm.
default. See, the name, it's the word itself default. Okay, by
Okay.
default it
Okay.
will take it. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Create table. Say for example, employee. We can assume that one. Just any name. I'm giving some example. Okay, so here what employee ID var of 100, emp name var 50. Then for example, office locations or location var. Here I'm giving the keyword called default. Default. If it is a string means you have to give like this. Okay, var for example, Hyderabad. Hyderabad spelling correct?
DE money. HYDRABAD.
This one, Hyderabad.
DE.
Mm.
BADE.
HYDE కదా E.
చెప్పండి హైట్స్.
నాకు గుర్తులేదు. హెచ్వైడి
HY
అని రాయండేదోటి.
చెప్పు బాబు. హెచ్వై
HYDERABAD.
ఈ
What I told is correct initially. HYDERABAD.
ఓకే.
Mm.
ఓకే, హైదరాబాద్. ఓకే, ఫైన్. Fine. Right. So again I'm going to close it, that things. Okay, or locate. because sometime it will give some this kind of keyword. No, you should not use it blue color or something. No, because it's a keyword. You cannot use it. We can use it, but it is not advisable. Okay. So what we do, we will make it as office locations. Okay. So default keyword, just create it in and selecting run, successfully run. See, so I'm running that example. So, just so how you insert the table? I insert into table name is what? Employee one. Employee one. Uh, just open and close bracket. I mean open bracket. Empid, empid, comma, emp name. That's it. You don't want to mention it in the office locations. See, values. Suppose, see, here I'm running that how many records are there. You can easily identify nothing record will be there because just now we created this table. Employee one. When running this record, see nothing will be there. Office locations also empty. Employee name, employee, everything is empty. Now I am running this information. Values is, for example, employee ID is E001. Sorry, comma, employee name, for example, Surya. That's it. Now, after creating, just I am running this command, one row affected. But when running this command, automatically, as per this statement, only employee ID, employee names will be added. We are not giving any, the office locations. But even though you are not giving, system will automatically take this value Hyderabad. See, just run it. See, Hyderabad locations default it is ordered. So this is called a default constraint. We don't want to mention in any name. I mean, we don't want to mention it. By default, it will be adding automatically. That is that internal meaning. Hope you understand this default keyword. Any,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Clear.
Surya, doubt? Any doubt on this?
No,
Vetri,
sir.
No,
Aditya,
no, sir, it's good.
No
it's
doubt,
clear,
sir.
right? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Similarly, there is one more constraint called check constraint. See, whenever you go to the interview, definitely this question they may raise. So, what are all the constraints available in SQL Server? So, you can say that first is not null constraint, primary key constraint, foreign key constraint, check constraint, default constraint. So, these are all the main constraints. Some of the other constraints are also there, but mostly we are not going to utilize those things. So, these are the main constraints. You have to remember things. Whenever, wherever you go, you have to remember these things. These are the five constraints you always remember. Okay, fine. So next constraint is called the check constraint. Okay, see, check constraint is more. Suppose where you are creating the table, you are checking some value. So say for example, my salary when creating the table, the say salary column name should not allow any zero value or less than zero values. So that time, see, I am creating this table. I think we have created the employee table, right? 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Select to star from employee. See, salary columns are there. In this salary column, for example, I am modifying something. Insert into employees. Okay, insert into employees what name. Suppose you don't want to mention the column name. When don't worry with that. When taking the insert statement time, I will explain you more detail. The shortcut information is whenever you are going to, suppose you are not going to any giving any column name, what you do, you have to give all the column name, gender, ID, everything you have to give it. Okay, otherwise system will not accept. Okay. Okay, we don't want to take this example. We go with the other example. Where is students? Yeah. So in these students, we have some employees table. Yeah. Okay. We don't have employee table. That's good. Okay. Okay. Sales master. Okay. So employee one is there. Not there. Okay. No problem. We create the table. Already we have, just now we created in the master database. So actually I have to, whenever you creating the, the commands, make sure that which database you are there. Because earlier I was created in these locations, I mean master table. That's what it is giving problem. Okay. So that you have to make sure that which database you are working. Okay. Fine. Okay. Select star from employee one. Okay. Okay, fine. You know how to alter the column? Anyone?
I
For,
know, but I have to remind him.
yeah. So I think next class is the test for you guys all.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So you are ready to write the test next Monday class? Monday you take leave, Tuesday class?
Monday we have leave.
Christmas, no?
Oh, happy Christmas.
Okay, okay. But if you are interested, I will continue the class, no
That's
problem.
okay, Monday.
Okay.
We'll celebrate Christmas together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, Tuesday test for you. The first chapter.
Okay, give us the assignment and keep the test in that assignment only.
Right. Okay, okay, okay. Please practice it and send to my email ID, then I will understand that. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Okay, fine. So how to alter the table means alter table name. So for example, our table name is called employee one, right? So employee one, alter table employee one, add column name. Say for example, salary. SALARY, salary. Int. Now, okay. See, So salary is null because we don't have any value. Okay. Now we are adding on a new record. Okay. Alter. So sorry, insert into table name is what? Employee
Employee
one. Yeah. Employee one. Um, we are giving empid, comma, emp name, comma, salary. SALARY. Okay. So values. So values. Say for example, E02, E002, comma, example, I'm giving that Aditya, comma, 2000. Now running the record. This office location Hyderabad default come automatically because we created the table like that. Okay. So one row like that. So when coming running the turn things. Okay. So 2000 is ordered. No doubt. Okay. Fine. See, for some time, the same example, I am adding E003, say for example, minus value, minus 2500 or something. System is accepting now, even though minus value. See, executing, when running the command, see minus 2500, it is there. See minus value, you guys are seeing that value, minus 2500. See,
one. Yes, money.
okay,
Yes.
okay. But I am,
Money, this alter is a DDL operation, right?
yes,
It's
meta
from
definition.
the.
Correct,
Oh,
correct. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So how you are going to modify it? So I will tell you. Okay. So because the main intention is what we are going to modify certain things, which means what? Okay. You are adding this value minus 2500. System is not accept. Okay. Because minus 2500 is a negative value. Correct. So you are getting, am I saying that minus 2500 salary I'm getting means, which means what? You have to give the salary to the company. Now, company is not giving to you. That is the internal, it's indirect meaning. See, I am saying minus 2500, which is meaning what?
Which is not possible only.
Ah, correct. Less than zero.
Hmm.
Correct, no?
Yes.
So such kind of validations, when you creating the table,
Hmm.
system is always allow the greater than value, not less than value. That is the things we are going to validate when creating the table. Correct? Because now we are not giving any validation. That's what minus value system is allowing. Correct? So how you are going to modify the things? So that is called a check constraint. So I'm recreating the table. Okay. Say for example, I'm dropping this table, I'm recreating. Drop table. We can modify here itself, but for a better understanding, I'm dropping this table. Drop table employee one. Okay. Just I dropped. Again, I'm creating. Where just now I created the table. Where is that?
This கீழே இருப்பாங்க அந்த மேல
இருக்கா?
just to ஆதார்.
இல்ல, இல்ல. If I created the table. Okay, fine. Leave it. I newly create it.
You have created a foreign key or
No, no, no. Foreign key I never created. That is old classes.
no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. Good.
Create table employee 1. Yeah, I told that emp id varchar 100 not null, emp name varchar 100, salary. Okay, we can kill city varchar of 100 or 50 default. HYD Dharabad. Okay, okay. Here I'm giving salary keyword called check. Salary into check salary greater than 0. Okay, now close the table. Just I'm running the things. See, now table is created. Now I am giving, because when inserting the record, the salary column value, column name never allow 0 or less than 0. That is that we are going to demonstrate. Okay, fine. I'm inserting the record. So how you insert the record? So insert into employee 1 salary. Again I'm running. See, the same example I'm trying again. Assume that is 001. Okay. If I try to execute, system will throw the error now. What error? Just can you please read it? Anyone?
I can say the error is because of that salary is greater than 0 because only that it got a error.
Ah, ah,
So the error what message we got here is the insert statement conflicted the check
ah,
constraint.
because when you created the time, your salary is as column name, it is always greater than 0. Even 0 also not accept. See, I'm giving 0. That is also not accept. See, when trying, see, same command. Suppose I am giving greater than 0, greater than 0, for example, even 1. Now it will allow. See, one row affected. See, now allow that. Select star from employee 1. Okay. See, all allowed. Suppose you are trying to give that minus 500. Now it will throw the error. Why? Because your check constraint always refer the greater than or equal to 0. Sorry, greater than 0. See, it is not allowed. But same thing, if I remove 500, I'm giving some other name, 002, some name. So the Now it will allow because your values is greater than 0. Allow. Okay. Now running the again the rect table. See 500 is allowed. Hope you clear what is check constraint and default constraint because see T we are not giving any name here. See we are not giving any name inside. Even though you are giving or not giving, system is take it as the Hyderabad as a default value. Okay. Hope you clear.
Yes, Mani, it was
Right.
clear.
Okay. This
Yes, ma'am.
assignment for you. Just create the table and you create the default city is called Hyderabad. But particularly what you are good, what you are going to do in this city name, give it as say for example, I'm giving instead of Hyderabad, I'm giving any name. Say for example, I'm giving Vizag. Okay, just try with that name. System is allowing or not. If it is allowing, which value is coming? That is one assignment.
So we have to work on this default constraint and check
Yes.
constraint in a table, and we have to create a table. That's it, right?
Exactly.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah, Vetri, you can just send that this recording session to the group,
Yeah,
Vetri.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay, ma'am.
Aditya and Surya, what you guys are in installed the SQL server?
Yeah, actually,